As I click checkbox, the whole screen goes into dark mode. It reduces the light emitted by device screens while maintaining the minimum color contrast ratios required for readability. For people who work extensively on computer may use this trick in order to save their eyes. Switch off. Switch on. This video is going to be so helpful for those who want minimum contrast for their vision in order to do their job on computers. Let's start. I got this bright screen that put some pressure on my eyes. I want to do my job in dark screen mode in MS Excel. Right-click. Customize ribbon. Here you make sure that developer option is checked on checkbox. Close this window by clicking OK. The Developer tab appears on the ribbon. Click on Developer tab. Click on Insert option and then click on Checkbox tool. Drag this checkbox tool over cells. Right-click on it. And select Edit Text. Change the name of text box. I suggest Night Mode by its role. Right-click again. And select Format Control. Here I want to change the color of checkbox control. I will choose light gray color. Right-click on checkbox control. Then Format Control. Click on Control tab. In the Cell Link field, select any empty cell as main source that will switch on and off the lights of worksheet. Click OK. And this will give the values like true and false in order to make the checkbox workable. Here you may notice that if I click the checkbox, it returns the value true in the adjacent cell. Now I am gonna select the whole worksheet. Go to Home tab. Conditional Formatting. New Rules. Here I am gonna select the last option. In the link cell I will select the adjacent cell that bears true and false options. Click on Format. Choose black color to fill the worksheet. Click on Font tab. Select white color for font. Close all dialog box by clicking OK. Let's check if it's working. Perfect. Now place it over the adjacent cell as I want to hide it. Now in order to make it absolutely dark I would change the color theme also, and for this I would go to File. Click on More. Then choose Options. In Office Theme in Personalize section, select Black. Click OK. The theme goes black. Awesome. Turn off and on lights. Save your eyes. You can work hours and hours on computer by using dark screen mode trick.